Extend your iPhone battery life. Simple tricks. These Apple iPhone battery tips and tricks will help get you through the day without a charge. To show battery percentage on iPhone. To monitor your battery life more precisely, you can enable the battery percentage display. While the battery icon in the top right corner shows an estimate, the exact percentage can be viewed in the control center or set to appear directly in the top right corner by enabling the feature. Go to Settings, Battery, then turn on Battery Percentage. On an iPhone with Face ID, the battery percentage appears inside the battery symbol on the status bar. Use Low Power Mode. Low Power Mode conserves battery by prioritizing essential tasks and limiting performance, including capping Pro Motion displays to 60 Hz. Turn Low Power Mode on or off. Do any of the following: go to Settings, Battery, or in Control Center, then tap Battery icon. Low Power Mode automatically turns off when iPhone charges to 80% or higher. Manage your lock screen. To save battery life, manage your phone's display settings by adjusting the auto lock timer under Display and Brightness Auto Lock to turn off the screen sooner when idle. Additionally, while customizable lock screens and widgets introduced in iOS 16 are appealing, they drain power due to constant updates. Avoid using complex wallpapers and widgets to preserve battery life. Adjust screen brightness. Smartphone screens are major battery drainers, but you can extend battery life by reducing brightness. Adjust it manually in Settings, Display, and Brightness, or via the Control Center. To maintain your preferred brightness, disable auto brightness in Settings, Accessibility, Display, and Text Size to prevent the phone from automatically increasing brightness based on lighting conditions. Turn off location services. Location services are useful but can quickly drain your battery. To manage this, go to Settings, Privacy, and Security Location Services. You can turn off location services entirely, but this will disable features like weather updates and turn-by-turn navigation. A better approach is to customize location access for individual apps, choosing options like Never, Ask Next Time, while using the app, or Always. For example, set Google Maps to while using the app to save battery while retaining functionality. Turn off background app refresh. Apps in iOS can refresh in the background, draining battery life. To manage this, go to Settings, General Background App Refresh. You can disable it entirely, restrict it to Wi-Fi, or turn it off for specific apps, like email or social media, which are refresh-heavy. Disabling this feature won't affect app functionality but might cause a slight delay in updating content when you reopen the app. Turn off wireless services. Your phone's wireless features like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and cellular data can drain battery life as they constantly search for connections. To conserve power, disable these features individually via the Control Center or use Airplane Mode to turn off all cellular functions while still allowing Wi-Fi use. Remember to re-enable them when needed. Turn off active listening. Hands-free Siri constantly listens for commands, which can drain your battery. If you rarely use Siri, disable active listening by going to Settings, Siri, and turning off the Wake Word feature. You can still use Siri by enabling Press Side button for Siri, or disable Siri entirely to prevent accidental activations. Monitor the health of your device's battery. To monitor your iPhone's battery health, go to Settings, Battery Health, and Charging. Check maximum capacity to see how much the battery has degraded over time and whether it might need replacement. Peak performance capability shows the battery's current condition, with iOS providing status updates as needed. Enable optimized battery charging to slow charging after 80%, helping to extend battery life by reducing strain during full charges.
Thank you for watching this video, and hope this can helping you. Please stay tuned for next episode.